Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take you on a virtual tour of the 10 best places with amazing nature in Canada. Number 10. Kulani National Park. Kulani National Park is located in the Yukon and offers a wilderness of glaciers, mountains, and rivers. It's a great destination for hiking and camping in some of the most untouched natural landscapes in Canada. Number 9. Cabot Trail. The Cabot Trail is a scenic drive that winds along the coast of Cape Breton Island in Nova Scotia. It offers breathtaking views of the ocean and mountains, as well as opportunities for hiking and whale watching. Number 8. Algonquin Provincial Park is located in Ontario and offers a pristine wilderness of lakes, forests, and wildlife. Number 7. Greymound National Park, located in Newfoundland, offers a unique landscape of fjords, mountains, and ancient rock formations. Number 6. Whistler. Whistler is a world-renowned ski resort nestled in the mountains of British Columbia. During the summer months, it offers hiking, mountain biking, and other outdoor activities surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Number 5. Pacific Rim National Park, located on Vancouver Island. Pacific Rim National Park offers a rugged coastline, old-growth rainforests, and stunning beaches. It's a great place to explore the wide and untouched natural beauty of Canada. Number 4. Lake Louise. Lake Louise is one of the most photographed lakes in Canada. Its bright turquoise waters are surrounded by snow-capped mountains, making it a must-visit destination for nature photographers. Number 3. Jasper National Park. Jasper National Park is another gem in the Canadian Rockies. Its pristine lakes, glaciers, and hiking trails make it an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that straddles the border between Canada and the United States. The powerful falls are surrounded by lush greenery and offer stunning views year-round. Number 1. Banff National Park, located in the Canadian Rockies. Banff National Park is a natural wonderland filled with turquoise lakes, majestic mountains, and diverse wildlife. It's a must-visit destination for any nature lover. That's our list of the 10 best places with amazing nature in Canada. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and that it inspires you to visit some of these amazing destinations in person. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Thanks for watching.